Who doesn't want to shed some overweight before the warm days are back? And while it was a natural thing to do to pass winter, the habit of eating more and to some more sustainable foods can be hard and take long to shed. While there are common psychological reasons for overeating, this doesn't mean that all individuals who are overweight overeat. However, if you recognize yourself as someone who does overeat, and you have made the decision to prioritize your comfort and health over your love for all kinds of foods, this session is for you. Mindful Eating Hypnosis to alter the deep mechanisms of your eating habits. Hi, my name is Anne. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist. I use hypnosis to help you develop a positive mindset that will allow you to find and attract abundance into your life. Before we begin, I want to say how glad I am to be talking to you today. So, welcome to today's session. Stop overeating and take control. Make sure you are now settled in a very quiet place where you are likely to be disturbed. Now sitting on a comfortable chair, perhaps a reclining chair with your head nicely supported, your back resting at its best angle, your arms and hands perhaps at your sides, or as you find them comfortable to rest, and your legs stretched and relaxed. It's okay if you want to shift. Readjust your body position now and again, and you will be able to do so. But now you are beautifully settled. Are you ready to be hypnotized? Good. You are now ready to experience a beautiful and peaceful relaxation. All you have to do is relax and follow the sound of my voice. And my words will simply, gently guide you into a deeper state of relaxation. And I don't know if you have closed your eyes yet, or if you want to let your eyelids drop over your eyes now as you begin to relax. Relax your whole body, all the muscles. You may be aware of some sounds in the room or outside the room, and it's okay. Sounds will not disturb you as you relax now. In fact, they will help you to go even deeper into relaxation. And now you may notice some sensations in your hands or in your feet. With your eyes closed, thoughts, images come and go as you become more aware, and your mind is slowly letting go as you gently, comfortably drift into deep relaxation. Allow yourself to be as lazy as you want to be, and let your entire body relax from your head down to your toes. Feel the warmth gently flowing from the top of your head, down your neck, and your shoulder muscles, down your arms now, and slowly all the way down to your hands and the tips of your fingers, the tips of your thumbs. A beautiful feeling, is it not? And now, let the warm flow run its way all the way down and down to your feet, down to your toes. And with this, find all the tensions, all the worries, leave your body and simply wash away. Beautiful. Very good. Now that you are so relaxed, notice your breathing for a few moments. Notice that your breathing is becoming slower and steadier as you relax more and more. Breathing so steadily and evenly, just as though you were pretending to be sound asleep. Breathing so evenly, so steadily, you almost wouldn't disturb a feather placed immediately in front of you. Breathing so easily and slowly, so gently that you almost wouldn't disturb even a single strand of feather placed right in front of you. As you settle into this beautiful, peaceful state of deep relaxation, allowing each breath to carry you further into a place of calm and serenity, you begin to notice a profound sense of tranquility washing over you. With every word I speak, you find yourself sinking deeper and deeper into this peaceful state, effortlessly embracing relaxation. And as you continue to relax so deeply, your subconscious mind, your inner guiding force, becomes more open, more receptive, and more aligned with your true desire. The desire to achieve and maintain a healthy weight with ease, naturally and effortlessly. From this moment onward, you will notice a transformation taking place, a shift that allows you to release excess weight with ease, naturally and effortlessly, in 3 simple and effective ways. The first transformation: at meal times, you will find yourself fully present, savoring and enjoying each bite of your food. However, you will also notice that a smaller portion is more than enough to satisfy you. With each passing day, this feeling strengthens, and your body and mind align in perfect harmony, understanding that you require only what is necessary to feel content and comfortably full. You have no need, no reason, and most importantly, no desire to eat more than what your body truly requires. Your deep-seated desire to achieve your ideal weight is far more powerful than any past urges to overeat. Now, this is not a diet. It is a gentle, effortless shift in your eating habits, allowing you to feel lighter, healthier, and more in control. So you will find that a smaller amount of food is making you feel and be pleasantly and comfortably full. And because you are feeling pleasantly and comfortably full at the end of your meals, you will find a second thing is happening. The second transformation. As you become naturally attuned to your body's true hunger signals, you will find that your desire to eat between meals diminishes. You will find that you have less need, less reason, and less desire to eat between meals. You feel satisfied, content, and free from the old patterns of unnecessary snacking. The strong and unwavering desire to reach your ideal weight effortlessly and naturally replaces any past habit of eating mindlessly between meals. You are in control. You make conscious, empowered choices that align with your well-being. And as a result, your body responds with increased energy, lightness, and vitality. The third transformation. Before consuming any fattening, high-calorie or unhealthy foods, no matter who you're with or where you are, you will instinctively pause and ask yourself a simple yet powerful question. And the question is, which choice brings me closer to my goal? Eating this or achieving my ideal weight? This question arises effortlessly in your mind, guiding you with clarity and confidence. Because your deepest desire is to feel lighter, healthier, and more vibrant, you will find time and time again that you simply have no urge, no reason, and no desire to indulge in foods that do not serve your goal. Each time you make this empowered choice, you feel a deep sense of satisfaction and pride, knowing that you are in control of your habits and choices, knowing that you are on your way to losing weight easily, effortlessly, and naturally. These three transformations, mindfully enjoying smaller portions, naturally reducing the need for snacks, and consciously choosing nourishing foods, are now a part of you. With every meal, every choice, and every passing day, you are reinforcing your new, healthier relationship with food. With each new day, you find that you have less needs, less reason, and less desire to eat as much food as you used to. You are losing weight in the most effortless, natural, and enjoyable way. And this process continues, and you embrace the changes with joy and ease. You are on a journey of self-care and self-love, and your body responds beautifully. You now need smaller amounts of food to feel comfortably full. And because of this, you will have less need, less reason, and less desire to eat between meals. And so, from this moment forward, you move forward with confidence, knowing that you are in perfect alignment with your goal. You are transforming now. You are thriving, and you are achieving your desired weight with ease, effortlessly, and naturally. From now on, every day, many of these suggestions will continue to play on for you. somewhere at the back of your mind, prompting healthy energies that will continue to renew and recharge you with your resolve to eat less and healthy. In a moment, I'm going to bring you back to awareness. And to bring you back to awareness, I'm going to count from 1 up to 10. And when I come to number 10, you will become aware, back in your room, feeling great, as if you had a 5-minute rest. Feeling very, very pleasant indeed. In a moment, now you can get ready to come back from 1, feeling just fine. 2, you flow with the rhythm of your life. 3, a better future for you. Yes, you have. 4, you handle things in your life calmly. Balanced control. 5, beginning to feel rather pleasant now. 6, coming back. 7, the physical body comes back to wonderful sensations. 8, the conscious mind is aware and yet very relaxed. 9, feeling so good. 10, so good to be here. Remember that the repetition of positive affirmations is a powerful tool to reprogram the subconscious mind. Know that you have this recording and you can replay this session as many times as you feel you need to manifest a better version of you.